Good morning, my name is Joey Madora. Today I will demonstrate you to how to sharpen the knife with using a sharpening stone. First, put your sharpening stone on a moist towel and a flat surface. Next, with a knife at 45-degree angle, slowly down the knife down and across the stone in a smooth motion. Next, flip the knife to the other side and sharpen the reverse side using the same motion. Now let's proceed in the different types of knife handling and wheel position. First, power grip, oblique grip, quarter oblique, power extension, oblique extension, dagger position, backside, downward heel, back shift, pass through the hand, and pass through the table. Thank you.